Today's event was Oral Motor Foundations, optimising facial growth, development and function in the first 2 years of life. We had a great combination of dental practitioners, chiropractors, osteopaths, speech pathologists and a nutritionist here who were able to meet each other, and that really enables that collaborative teamwork. The key takeaways were how to identify those early dysfunctions. And we introduced the Activate, Integrate, Stabilise framework for identification of those early dysfunctions in the first 12 months. And we were able to show that with real life babies, which was great. So people were really able to see what ideal development looks like, and then we were able to highlight and show dysfunction as well.
That has been really valuable information. The importance of movement from chewing and mouthing, I thought it was absolutely excellent and a missing piece in the information that I usually teach.
It does seem so foundational, and yet it's crazy how we don't get taught this at all during our dental school training. And so as a mum, I missed a lot of these signs in my child. My son had oral dysfunction and I'd been observing him grow up, and I was a dentist and I missed all the signs. And so every clinician, practitioner, parent, who's got a child or is working with children, they have to know about the Myo Munchee and how it impacts their children's facial development, their airway, breathing, chewing, eating, all of that. It's all connected.
What was really good was to see it in practice as well, seeing babies who have been using it progress and others who haven't been using it so much start to introduce it, just to gain an idea of where they're at in that developmental pathway is really important.